Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Apple gift card code and the exact balance. Keep the code visible. Open Doordash and sign in so you're ready to check payment options. Next, decide fast. Redeem the gift card to your Apple ID balance or keep the code for Apple Pay. Redeeming applies balance to Apple Pay on iPhone, which Doordash can accept. Once done, make sure Apple Pay shows the updated balance before continuing to checkout on Doordash. You now link the Apple balance to Doordash by redeeming the code in the App Store or Wallet app so Apple Pay displays the funds. Then place your Doordash order and select Apple Pay at checkout. Doordash will charge Apple Pay first. If you don't see Apple Pay, go to Doordash account payments, add Apple Pay or the virtual card from Wallet, and refresh the checkout screen. Make sure billing and shipping addresses match to avoid authorization blocks. You finish by confirming Apple Pay as your payment method and authorizing the charge with Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. Doordash will complete the order. If the Apple gift card balance is not enough, Doordash automatically uses your backup card for the remainder, so verify totals before confirming. If payment fails, check that the gift card was redeemed. Apple Pay shows the balance, and both apps are updated. Try removing and re-adding Apple Pay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.